Hello and welcome to this overview of the iScholaris product. This is available as an application or browser-based solution and is offered to the school admin, teachers, students and parents alike, and brings together timetable, curriculum, student information, attendance information and administration information. It also offers a notifications panel displaying recent and relevant posts. So what's on offer? Well, this is a teacher's login that we're looking at, so let's have a look at what a teacher can do. What I love is the way that everything is only 1 or 2 clicks away. For example, the teacher has access to a links icon offering a range of pre-configured and customizable links. Also only 1 click away, the teacher or the student's timetable. And just 1 more click away, someone else's timetable. The teacher has access to class lists, curriculum and assessment information, together with the possibility to integrate with Office 365. So let's imagine the teacher needs to find out something about a student or enter information about a student. The teacher can go straight to the Student Information Centre and after a quick search, select the relevant student and the Student Information Centre opens, displaying a range of tabs that will list all of the information that we know about this student and in many cases interactivity, including in-depth contact information for the student and others associated with the student. See the student's teachers and have the ability to email all or some of those teachers. See the student's timetable for a selected period. See the student's assignments, both current and past. The student's academic and school report progress. A list of achievements for the student other than academic or formal progress. Individual learning plans that have been set for the student and anecdotal notes for the student. See a pastoral record and also the document libraries containing documents for the student. Click on the Medical tab to see a list of the medical conditions already recorded by the school and medical notes added by users. And finally, see an attendance summary for the student, including graphic summaries, and in the other tabs, things like a summary by subject. iScholaris also offers end-to-end attendance management, with a host of features that you can see along the bottom of the screen here, including marking attendance for the day. One student has an advance notification of a medical or dental appointment, and also offering us access to the Student Information Centre that we just saw. If a student is absent, it's a simple matter of clicking the absence, and these can be followed up by authorised attendance managers. These managers can also be involved with creating attendance reports, managing the current absences and perhaps sending SMS or email messages to parents, following up absence, and entering individual or group notifications such as for excursions into the system. Any notifications, of course, automatically update the teacher's view of the attendance marking. To address the teaching and learning aspects, iScholaris offers Marksbook Plus, and that can be accessed from the icon on the home page or from here in the menu list. The teacher will select the Marksbook they wish to go to and the course associated with that subject, and the selected Marksbook spreadsheet will open. So we see here Susan Abbott has a range of assignments going across the screen. And so we can see here that the spreadsheet has a number of features, one of which is that the spreadsheet can be arranged into categories. If we look up the top, we can see one of the categories is coursework, worth 60% of the mark. And another category is exam work worth 35% and field work worth 5, totaling 100%. Within the categories, assignments can be set, and those assignments can easily be accessed using multiple criteria. And this assignment has been marked using multiple criteria. So we can see here, there is the ability for the mark to be selected, or for the teacher, once having viewed the work, to use a rubric to complete the marking. And you'll note that this rubric, and rubrics are easy to configure, includes student self-comments and teacher comments. At the end of an assessment period, the managers or the heads of departments are able to run reports, both ad hoc and formal or scheduled reports. And adding assignments to a spreadsheet is easy, using the assignment manager, selecting the assignment type, completing the details, including assessment details, and for instance whether you want to use rubrics within the assignment and for assessment, and which students receive the assignment. Courses are a very important part of iScholaris Marksbook Plus, and this class is a member of a course. Let's click the Course tab to view the appropriate course. Courses are usually designed by heads of department and shared amongst the staff within that department. But the course builder is flexible and can be set up in a multitude of ways. In common are the descriptions, the curriculum setup, including specifying which of the curriculum links will be used in reporting. And note that the curriculum links are those selected from the embedded curriculum frameworks when the school is installed. And also in assessment, where you can specify whether rubrics will be used as a default for assignment totals or for the final course assessment. Flexibility comes when the designers can lay out the course content or syllabus for the course. And you can see here 3 different ways of doing that: thematically, by term or semester, and chronologically. And each branch of the course content contains important information about the goals for the lessons, the curriculum to be addressed, handy resources for the students and or parents, and also including lesson plans for the course. These lesson plans can be configured by the course designers in cooperation with the teachers, and include the ability to lay out the assessment for those lessons, again handy resources, and the ability to download and print each lesson plan. To finish up, I'd like to show you another feature which is integral to the teaching and learning context, and it is the ability for schools to access the Office 365 features. And where a class is already configured for Office 365, you can simply click on the icon for that class. This will open one of the workspaces that has already been designed and configured for this particular class, and in this case using the application Mosaic to create an attractive presentation. But of course the key is the access to the Office 365 and to the applications that includes for the registered user. So for iScholaris users, you also have access to all of these apps, and they can be used to complement all of the other features that you've just seen in the iScholaris application. Thanks very much for watching this brief overview of iScholaris. Why not get in touch with us today to find out more?